Yo, what's up, man? It's your boy Stokes in his bitch again. Just making a little interlude track, you know what I'm saying? It's called No Talk, Not All Action. My bad, No Talk, All Action. For the fuck ass niggas out there, man. No more talking with y'all bitch niggas, man. If you owe me, I'm coming for you sooner or later to get at you, man. We gonna have to talk something, get it cracking, it's whatever, dog. But my nigga Mike on the camera, we in the studio. You know what I'm saying? Just making a little bit of music. This is something that was just chilling in my archive. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to just put out. Probably just give y'all a little taste. You know what I'm saying? But hit a rough draft for this shit, y'all. Westside nigga murder to the day I'm dropping. Lord.
We don't talk, but we got action. Big guns and stuff, so we get the action. In the hood all day, heavy metal dripping. Cooking all that shit, boy, we can get it cracking. No talk, all action. Get the lucky 7, boy, cause we not crashing. If you always dreaming, I bet you can't imagine. Them niggas I saw them, always about that action. No talk, all action. Get the no talk, all action. No talk, all action. Get the lucky 7, boy, cause we not cramping. No talk, all action. Get the lucky 7, boy, cause we not cramping. Funny niggas in the black with their hands stacked. I'm not talking about no game, but we all macking. On deck, money getting. If you ain't getting money, then you really tripping. What else you doing here like beside the cow shit? Ran up in that nigga crib, left one nigga. OJ, Simpson, kill my wife, fuck Kris Jenner, I'm big pimpin'. If you want the straight, and she ain't living, then you can fuck around, see the skid, double touch.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? That's what it is. No talk, all action. I might just put it out like that. Shit, rough draft that shit out. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? My boy Mike XO on the motherfucking camera. It's your boy Stokes. We in the studio, man, making it happen, you heard? Westside Murderville to the day I drop. SBG on the set, bro.